Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you about a super simple Connect 4 game for your Minecraft world. All the materials will be listed in the description below. From your center block, come out 4 blocks from either side. Like so. Then on either side, come out 1 more. So that it looks like this. A 9x3 area. Go to each side and come up by 7 blocks. Like so. Then come to the top and fill in 2 lines to either side, leaving a gap in the middle. At the top, extend the floor out by 1 on both sides. Place 7 pistons like so on both sides. Come behind both sets of pistons and place 7 blocks. Drop down below these blocks and place a redstone torch. Make sure you do it on both sides. Then below all the redstone torches, place stone buttons. Should look like that. Now traditionally Connect 4 uses yellow and red, but I find blue to be more appealing than yellow, so I'll be using blue and red. You can use whatever colours you want though. Just pick 2 types of concrete powder, or you don't even need to use concrete powder, you can use sand and gravel since it's easier to obtain early game. Just come up to the top and place 42 of each colour on either side, above the extended pistons. It should look like this, 7 blocks long and 6 blocks high. Do that for both sides. Once you do that for both sides, that's you done. I personally like to decorate mine and cover up all the redstone and stuff like that and make it easier to refill every time, but that's up to you. I'd recommend putting a roof on the concrete powder so you know if you filled it up to the max or not, just like so. Should look like this, and that's all there is to it. Now whenever you or your friends want to play a game of Connect 4 in Minecraft, all you have to do is press a button and it will release the concrete powder, like so. And then your friend can play. And you'll just have to keep track of whose turn it is to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.